Haina munjenzo wo Masha tempo te striga din kaya wala munjenzo wo Obro mo ke parmi din banda wala munjenzo wo
What's up, YouTubers? So I just did my training and it didn't went that well. I was pretty tired. I was pretty tired, a little bit down. I took a pre-workout, but that didn't help. So I tried a little bit. I just started doing some back. I started doing some back, but after a while I was like, you know what? Some days your training is just. So I stopped, pick up my things, and now I'm on my way home. So today my training was fucked up. That means that tomorrow I have to train. So tomorrow is Sunday. I'm gonna be training in the morning. I will come with a friend of mine from Aruba. He just came by, say hello. I asked like if you wanna train tomorrow. He say yes, so we're gonna do that shit. We're gonna do that shit. What's up, YouTubers? Welcome once again. Brand new week. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. You guys enjoyed to the max. Have a blessed week. Make it count. Be productive. And you know, work hard in the gym also. Sorry. So today we're entering the last week of my 30 day to shred. Last week my diet was on point. I lost like 3 kilograms. So things are going really nice. I'm feeling great. Still full of energy, not falling down. That's the thing I like the most. Because during all these 3 weeks, my diet was, I didn't have really problem with the diet. Like I mean, like it was hard, I was hungry, or things like that. In the second week I fucked up my diet, but it was my own fault. I wasn't prepared. We had a lot of party and events to attend, so I was a lot on the street. I wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared, and I chose to do that. So it's all good. It's all good. Right now I'm still on track. I wanna lose like 3 to 4 kilos still in this week. I know it's a lot in a week, but that's a goal I have in my head. I gotta be doing everything to reach my goal, but still I know 1 week 4 kilograms is a lot, so we will see. So right now I'm on my way to the box. I'm not gonna train right now. I'm just gonna go to the box to pick up my bike, arrange some things with my phone, and then I will be back on my bike today, 8 kilometers in the morning, and probably tonight I will be doing some cardio also. I was planning doing 30 to 45 minutes on a stationary bike. Now I'm not going to do a push day today. So the idea is to try to do leg or back. So I'll let you guys know. So guys, we're ready to go. The first training for the day. I only had a protein shake with amino, and now I'm on my way to the box or to the gym with my bike. And that's gonna be my first cardio for the day. And then after that, I'm gonna do some strength work, 1 or 2 conditioning class Metcon, that's for sure. And depending how I feel tonight, I will be doing a stationary bike for 30 to 45 minutes. So that's the idea for today. Guys, see you later.
Minta focus pa me queda classe bono que botinho queda par pa me nega. Rende dati maldade pero oribula foto com Dios vida sali nega. Yen jealousy, yen swako que battle me, nan de envy me, nan que end me. Nan que can't me. Minta worry que não ende bisa yave, minta tene fé em Deus sumisa yave. Para que tu anto mira yave, nada bonota ni biba yave.
Okay guys, I just arrived at the gym. It's now 12:43. It's now 12:43. When I got to the bridge was open, so I had to wait. And I took the ferry, come to the other side of the island to Oterbanda, and then I ride my bike for the last part. It's about like 5 minutes or something from Oterbanda to here, to the gym. Now I'm gonna drink a little bit of water, get my magnesium in, and after that I'm gonna be working, and after that I'm gonna be preparing for the workout, my training for the day. So remember, this is my last week. Now we're gonna go real low and really deep. This half is gonna be for right after my training, and this one is gonna be more in the night after my first class. It's gonna be like 2.5 hours between each other. Okay, that's my meal for today. Till let's say 8 o'clock. It's not much, but it will take me full. It will keep me full till then, till when I get home and eat my last meal for the day. Like you can see, I leaned out a lot. Okay, so I'm looking forward, guys. I'm really looking forward for this last week. I'm feeling great. The dieting I'm following right now is my own diet. Like you can compare a little bit with IF, intermittent fasting, because when I go to sleep, I don't eat anymore till after my first training. I drink coffee. It depends how I feel. If I feel like I'm really hungry, I take a protein shake. So let's get ready for my first real session after biking.
bubble for me, girl bubble for me, bubble for me. Do it in a single and double for me. Me want you bubble for me, bubble for me. Down inna the dirt inna the rubble for me, girl bubble for me, bubble for me. Do it in a single and double for me. Me want you bubble for me, bubble for me. Down inna the dirt inna the rubble for me, girl bubble for me.
Till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. till you find your way back home.